In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux on your phone, Android and iPhone. Let's start by an iPhone. All you need to do is just go and access Roblox. And as you can see, okay, it needs an upgrade. So let me just go and update it. And in the meanwhile, let me just try and start a connection from my Android. So let me just go here, or it is close to upgrading. So let's just switch to Android. So as you can see, this is the Android. You'll have just to access like Roblox. I just hope it doesn't need an update as well. So at the moment, here we are. All you need to do is just go and click on the Roblox icon at the top. As you can see on the left, it's on the left on notification. So as you can see, my balance is 0. I'm just going to click on the cheapest one right here. And once I click on it, they'll take me as example to pay using my card. I can just go and click on one tap, buy, and I'll be able to buy it. So for the iPhone, let me just go and switch the scene. So here we are. On the iPhone, all I need to do is just go and click on open. So okay, the screen is frozen. I'll just close this, do like this, stop mirroring, and then access the mirroring back. So here we are. So right here, oh, you don't see, like, yeah, here we are. So now all you need to do, just go and click on the same icon. As you can see, this is iPhone. So click on Roblox application, click on the Roblox icon. And again, it's going to be the same thing. So you can scroll down to whatever you want, click on it, and you will be able to enter your bank information, your card information, and you will have to start paying as example. So for me as example, I can just go and do this, and I'll be able to pay it without any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.